Hey there, smart car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart Racer, your go-to destination for all things smart car related. Today, I've got something special to share with you, our exclusive YouTube membership program. Are you passionate about smart cars like we are? Do you love learning about the latest maintenance tips, DIY repairs, and innovative upgrades for your beloved vehicle? Then our membership program is tailor-made just for you.
As a member, you get VIP access to our newest videos before anyone else. You will have access to specific tutorials for smart car in detail at any time. And here's the best part. By joining our membership program, you're not just gaining access to incredible perks, you're also becoming part of a vibrant community of smart car enthusiasts just like you. Share your insights, ask questions, and connect with fellow members who share your passion for smart cars. So what are you waiting for? Click that join button below and take your smart car journey to the next level. Together, let's rev up our engines, dive into the world of smart car repair, and drive towards an exciting future ahead.